Scotty G from SG Fitness Foods. Today I'm going to show you how to make French toast. You only need a few ingredients for this recipe and it's absolutely delicious. It takes no time at all to make and you can have it in so many different ways. It's really up to you. Okay, so let's get going. Okay, so to begin with, we're going to need a nice wide bowl. Put our mixture in, wide enough just so you can soak your bread in it. And just make a couple of eggs. The ingredients for this batter mix will make about 4 to 6 pieces of French toast. Start to break the egg up. Add about 1/4 cup of milk, which is around 85 milliliters. Give it a good mix. And to this mixture, you can add about 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Excellent. Once you've mixed that all together, just sit it to one side. And get your bread ready. I'm going to be using small, thick cut bread, regular sandwich bread. It's a little thicker, perfect for French toast. And get your pan on a medium-high heat. Add a good knob of butter. Start to melt that just with a spoonful of oil. This will bring the temperature of the butter up and stop it from burning. You'll still get the great taste of being cooked in butter without any burnt bits. As soon as that's hot, get your French toast straight in the pan. Don't soak it for too long or it will be soggy in the middle. That's the sound it should make as soon as it goes in. It should take about 2 minutes on each side. The last thing you want is burnt French toast. Give it a little check. Seems okay to me. Lovely. And they look ready. Lovely. There we go. And there we go, French toast. Great served with fruit, powdered sugar, crispy bacon, anything really. I like to have mine topped with a few crushed pecans. And a little sprinkle of almond flakes. Top it off with a little bit of syrup. Breakfast fit for anybody. If you enjoyed this simple recipe and you'd like to learn more about how to cook healthy, highly nutritious foods, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. You won't regret it.